Seriously, probably 2016 would be the last time. It's been a long time since I've actually felt this feeling of coming out and doing this kind of stuff. Man, I'm just excited about this. This is such a big deal for all of us to be able to come here and race this race.
Rode the Honda the first practice, Cannondale the second practice. Gonna race the Honda, just a lot more comfortable on it, and it's awesome. It's awesome to be out here racing some of these guys I've never raced before, and out here racing with some of my old competitors. So, be an awesome weekend.
There's not one person that I'm like, oh, I'm looking forward to riding this guy or that guy. It's just the whole group of guys. I mean, Shane, Doug, Timmy, Natalie. I mean, just everybody that's out there that I raced with back in the day. It's fun to go out there and race with those guys again because I haven't seen those guys. I've been on track with them, and it's the camaraderie coming off the track and talking to them and things like that. So that's, I mean, what I'm looking forward to.
I know the last time actually I saw you, I guess, was the Legends TT. If there was like another event like this, would you want to come out?
Yeah, if there's another Legends race, I'd for sure make an effort to come out. And that was one of the things, a lot of people said, you were one of the first people that said you'd come, and the reason why was because I went to that Legends TT race, and it was a lot of fun. It was seeing all the guys, going out and getting out there with them again, and I kind of knew what to expect, and I had so much fun doing that's what, when they say they're going to have this, I was like, I'm in. I mean, it's a fun event just to come hang out with everybody that you don't see because those people were part of your race family for so many years, and then you don't see them. So it's fun to come back and actually see all those guys and hang out with them for a day or two.
All right, well, good luck out there, Corey.
All right, thank you.
Legends race?
No, I mean, in my head, I don't think I qualify, but they invited me, and these guys are my heroes, my idols. I'm a little starstruck with some of them. I raced a couple of these guys, but some of these guys I grew up racing, and I'm so excited to be racing with these guys. I can't hold on more than a lap. I haven't been riding at all, but it's going to be fun.
Have you got any training in ahead of time, or rode a little bit?
I rode once 6 months ago, and then rode again like a week ago, and then I ate a salad, so I'm pretty good to go.
All right,
Number 727.
In case of fire, break the glass and move on until you're own. There's some answer born to myself, and I'll see you later. In case of fire, break the glass and move on until you're own. Just call your own.
I don't want to stop at the casino. I don't want to stop and see the broken lights. I want to stay out.
How you doing?
That feel getting the fastest qualifier?
Well, you know, I don't get that very often, but when I do, it's awesome. But that's all I got. One lap wonder, baby.
That's awesome. Good luck to you out there.
Thank you.
I can't believe I didn't say this sooner. I just feel that I was all displaced. I guess this picture lets you know how I feel. I guess the touching makes you makes me feel that I'll never be quite normal. This makes me act like I'll never get out
So again, thank you guys so much for everything. We're going to see what we can do in a second moto. Hopefully we can get another hole shot. But regardless, I'm just happy to be here racing with some of the best racers in the world.
So, when's the last time you had a moto win?
2000, well, man.
You got Motorama, right?
Yeah, Motorama. We did this year. I did Motorama. I was able to win a couple motos. A nice little supercrossy indoor. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun, man. It's amazing. I was so nervous on the first. I'm still nervous this time, but not quite as bad as the first time. But we got the first one out of the way. We'll see if we can get another hole shot and see what we can do.
Good luck, man.
Thanks, guys. Feels awesome, you know. It's been so long, you know. A lot of them are like, hey, it's been 10 years, 12 years, 15. I'm like, it's so crazy that when we get back together, it seems like it was just yesterday. And you know, the other crazy part is I got to watch a lot of these times and see a lot of the guys out there. And man, these guys were always fast. Doesn't matter how long they've been off, they're still fast. It's great to see that they still got all it takes to go fast.